In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio in Adobe Express. If you've got a clip with background noise, unwanted chatter, or you simply want to replace the original sound with music or a voiceover, muting the audio in Adobe Express is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to help you get clean, silent footage ready for your edits. First, open the Adobe Express Video Editor. Head to the Adobe Express website and launch the Video Editor workspace. From there, choose the video you want to edit from your existing projects, or upload a new file from your computer. Give the editor a moment to process the clip so it appears on your timeline. If you're uploading a larger file, it may take a bit longer to load. Just let it finish so everything syncs correctly. Next, select the video clip you want to silence. In the timeline or main editor canvas, click directly on the clip so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or an active outline around it, and its settings appear in the Properties panel. If your project has more than one clip and you only want to mute a specific section, make sure you've clicked the right one. This ensures the audio controls you're about to use apply to that exact clip. Now, mute the audio. With the clip selected, look for the mute button, or audio control. Depending on your layout, it's usually represented by a small speaker icon or found in the clip's audio settings on the side panel. Click Mute to instantly remove the audio from that clip. Adobe notes that using mute is immediate, so you won't need to apply extra changes. Once it's toggled on, the clip's original sound is silenced. If you don't see a dedicated mute button, look for a volume slider and drag it all the way down to 0, which achieves the same result. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If your project has multiple clips with audio you want to remove, repeat the same selection and mute process for each one. Muting a clip only affects that clip's original audio, not any music or voice tracks you might add later, which is perfect if you're building a soundtrack on top. You can always unmute by clicking the mute control again if you change your mind, and that's it. You've removed the audio from your video clip in Adobe Express, leaving you with a clean slate for your edits.